He's reading.
Madam, please, what's your name?
My name is Mary Anira Yunana.
I am seeing a lot of crowd at the DG campaign office for Peter Obi and Dakun from Plateau State. What is really happening here?
What is really happening is that the person in charge of the support group's money has refused to release it to the support group to mobilize people. And as we are talking today is Thursday. Tomorrow our principal is supposed to be in town and there's no money to mobilize anybody. So I don't know. And so far in Plateau State, the support groups have been the one that have elevated the Labour Party name. So I don't know why they are taking support group for granted and they have turned them to trash and beggars in the front of Labour Party's office.
Madam, I'm so sorry. We don't believe in mere rumor. Can you be able to brief us on how much was it sent? Do you have any insight about the money being sent?
An idea of how much that was sent. I don't really have an idea. If it's that one, I don't. But I know that money has been released. That one is for sure.
So, madam, these all people here gathered, and I've seen a whole crowd with some people inside. Are you telling me that they are part of the support group, or they are just mere people that come for you?
We have almost 300 support groups in Plateau State. The ones I can remember that were registered is 200 and something, which I have heard that some were still registered, but I don't have the document for now. So everybody here is support groups. We have almost 300 support coordinators in this Plateau State.
So you are telling me the whole of these numbers are coordinators that come for their money?
Yes.
And they didn't have the money?
They haven't. Not a kobo, a dime has been given to anybody here.
Wow, this is interesting.
And today is Thursday. Tomorrow we are supposed to mobilize.
So what are you trying to tell the people in Abuja about this? Do you have any word for them?
Tell them that we don't have leaders in Plateau State. That's just the plain truth. Because all of them are corrupt and all they do is they collect the money they give for us simply because for the love we have for Obi, people are now misusing it and taking us for granted. They will give money and then these same people will pocket it in their money and expect us to do it out of our own money, which we have been doing for long. For this time around, we said no. They will release it whether they like it or not. If they don't, we will not mobilize people to that stadium.
Honorable Victor Larry is one of the chairman, or he's the chairman of board of trustees. Did you go to his house and complain about this?
Of course, and then he sent us away. The way he even spoke to us, it was rudely, as if we are animals. That is going to cause force men on us to send us away. That is